So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you from Louis Vuitton. I did manage to get a hold of two SLGs that are kind of hard to find right now. And you guys are going to find out which ones they were. So I did manage to get these items from the Louis Vuitton store on Bloor Street. And yeah, I'm just happy that I was able to find these items. So let's get started. So first I am going to pull out this item. I'm actually not sure because I have two, which one's which, but I think I know. This one I did get in another print recently, but when I went to go get the other item I'm unboxing for you today, I just asked them if they had this, which I actually wanted more, and they happen to have it. So let me just open this one for you. Go. Okay, here we go, because I could not do that with one hand, but hopefully I can open this with one hand, so. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling so much. Okay, so there's the dust bag. Let me open that up for you guys. And it's the Monogram Key Pouch. So as a lot of you may know, this item is actually kind of hard to get online. You can still find it, but you're gonna have to have a really good refreshing game. I honestly, personally haven't been able to find it online at all. I did manage to get a hold of the Damier Ebene one, and I was using that one, but I did want the Monogram one for quite some time now. But let me just show you my other one. Hold on. This was my other one, and I do love this one a lot, but I was really excited to get the Monogram Key Pouch. Yeah. I got my hands on this one as well. And it's another SLG. Give me a second to unwrap. Okay. Let me just pull this one out. The Rosalie coin purse. It's so beautiful. Honestly, I'm very excited to get this. This is actually going to be my first Louis Vuitton wallet, and even though it's like a coin purse and it is like small, but I think it's going to be perfect for me just because I do prefer having a wallet that I don't have to switch in and out of, and I could definitely use this with all of my smaller bags. So I'm really excited for this too. I love it. And I did get this in the rose ballerine color. It's small, but it looks like it could fit a lot of cards, and you also have the slot for your coins if you want to put your coins in there as well. But yeah. And then this is the key pouch. Really excited for these.